Hazur, Assalamu alaikum. The background of my suggestion is today in my office during tea time we have a few minutes to talk, and I always try to bring my colleagues to our field of the bleed. My colleague said that if I prolong, I'm sorry, sometime after I leave, they say you have taken too much time. I don't know how much. One of my colleagues said in a happy mood, what about are you still tortured by mullahs? He started the ball in my field. Then I got an opportunity to open the talk. Next to me, we had during summer vacations, we get some students during vacations to work with us. There was a student. Yes, temporary basis, yes. He is doing in the university maths. So his name is Paul. He was sitting next to me, and I introduced him, our Khudam that booklet we published. I said, look here, we have got a worldwide organization and this. And then I mentioned him in for Tabligh that our belief is that Jesus Christ, he did not die on the cross, but he died in Kashmir. And everybody laughed, gave such a laugh, all my colleagues, and they said, how it is? I said, it is our belief, and they say, how can you prove? I said, we can prove it historically, through the Buddhist books and all this. So this was a long talk with them.
What a very good article in the Unexplained, let's say 19 or from England, under the name of the title Unexplained. He wrote a very good article on the Ahmadiyya view of what happened to Jesus Christ. And if you have a copy of that view, then you can take it to your office one day and then read it. And it will be used to photograph, etc. Because that's a beautiful article. And that's the first article I have read, written by a Christian, speaking about Ahmadiyya as if an Ahmadi was speaking himself.
I have not seen that. I have not seen that.
Splitting religions, distribution of religions.
I had it introduced in review of religions.
So you can take it from there. Somebody can help you with it.
But if you take the original one, that would be better.
Yes.
Instead of showing them our magazine, show them the British magazine.
Now I may get it.
As I told you, Unexplained is the name, and I know they have extra copies published every month. And if anybody is interested in certain particular issues, they can provide. They do provide. If you pay them, then it's not much.
No, I would like to accept some help.
Yes, quite right.
Then I changed my subject with them, and I said, don't you know that shrouds of Turin and all this? Then I started sort of talk. My suggestion, Hazur, is, now I come, the background I explained, now is my suggestion is that we publish every year such calendars from Qadian, giving the pictures of mosques and all this. I was working in Shell. They used to publish every year one calendar, a very high quality calendar, giving sometimes the picture of birds and all this.
For these suggestions, this is not the forum. You just write to me and I'll department has said for exploring the possibility and we had called it wrong.
Yes.
But when you change, then you change another subject.
I was right to you, but in the same connection, what was in my mind, sometimes you can give me your mind later on in writing, right?